Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
If you are not feeling me, I'm feeling myself. That's all matters, okay? Thank you.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
I'll be the rubber band, you be the match. I won't be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top.
Good morning, y'all. It's currently 8:05. Yeah, I'm gonna braid my hair. I look terrible, that's why I have this on. My hair appointment is a little bit early, so I have to be there. Like, even I have to get going now. But you know, I have to speak with y'all. I had a breakfast. I know I ate very weird, but yeah, it is what it is. But I'm still craving to drink something, so I'm gonna step down and go get some drink. Then I'll be on my way to go get my hair done. And this vlog is actually gonna be like, let's say, self-care vlog actually, because I won't be doing too much. But then at the end of the day, I'll show you all what I'm doing. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Fire it up, writer, baby, beat it cool. From the lyric, baby, beat it cool. Or they say I'm a sinner, as I'm a winner, and it's you. What did I do to deserve that? Paper, baby, I pay a pen. Say I am the one, cause you weren't. Rolling up the day, even when it's dark. Even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I, with your pretty little hand. Even when I'm down to the wire, even when I do or die, ain't you a baby slip of the thing.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
I'm actually at the location for my hair appointment. Yeah, I'm tired, but I have to climb up like what if it. Again.
Baby, it's the everything for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie, what a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
My hair is done. I'm looking like a baddie.
Hope you know what you want.
I look like a human being now. I'm on my way going home actually.
My newest look.
Hi y'all, I'm back home and my hair is done. As you can see, literally I'm looking at myself and I mean I like it. it turned out the way that I really want it, so why not? It's given what it's supposed to give. It's currently 2:57. Hopefully I can focus. Since my hair is done, I'm about to plug my lashes so that I will look fully complete. Why not? I mean, I like the hair. Look at the tape. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I'll show you guys how it looks at the back. It looks so good and it turned out the way that I want it. So now, today I've been using my phone to record all the time. I just like pick up my camera, like literally. So all the previous clip that you've been watching about me eating my breakfast, going to braid my hair and all of that is from my phone. Now I'm using my camera and I miss you, babes. And I've changed the settings. I don't know, whenever that a video will pop up on my page about camera and all of that, I was like, let me pick mine so that I can do a little bit suggestion and so like thing. I don't know, but maybe I will stick with this setting. If not, then we're gonna change it again. I'm sorry, but I'm just a girl. I mean, I like the hair it's giving, and it's not that hurtful. It's like twist. I like it, but you know, always whenever I get my hair braided, you're gonna see it. Like, you're gonna see it. I have to start doing my lashes, cause why not? I want to look fully done, like fully done, so that I will be feeling myself again. Actually, I'll carry it like this for now. So as usual, that's all I need. I need this, and I'll be good for today. But before, I have to turn on my shit because I have to watch my series. This Forever series on Netflix, yeah. I don't know what it's doing to me these days, but I have to get sick. Okay. I don't know, but we're gonna start doing this. I know I look miss, but I have to get my lashes done, literally. I don't know if I'm watching the lens or I'm watching you guys, because I can see myself here and I'm looking that girl. Anyways, I'll catch up with you when I start doing it. It's time for me to plug my lashes. Yeah, I'm trying to comb out my natural lashes. I don't even see anything there. It's been a long time since I put on lashes though. Yeah, I don't know what look I'm going for though. I don't know. I wanna know. I don't know. I wanna know. I don't know. I wanna know. And that's my glue. Yeah, that's all. I'm actually using this glue. I think I'll just do the 12, like here, this side, the 12, because I don't want to be looking too extra. So let's just go with the 12. We are sticking with 12. I'm gonna grab it like this with the pincette. You can see. Alright, okay. Then I'm gonna dip a little bit glue. It's been a long time since I do my lashes, like, what the freak? I don't know. I don't know how smooth it's gonna go because it's been a long time. Shut up. Let me put my phone on silent actually. Okay, it's been a long time since I do this. I wanted to watch hair, but I'll be looking awkward, so let me stick to the mirror. Yeah. Guys, it's been a long time. Why am I so afraid to do it again? I'm gonna go on this side because I want everything to look perfect. So we're gonna put this one on. Voila. It look easier. I don't know. I'm used to this thing. I don't know. All I can say is I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting since I posted my last video. But I'm trying to post new things because most of the time it's always me. I want to do a lot, but all takes time, so I'm gonna say sorry for now. But then guys, I'm gonna go off and I'll try to fix everything and lay everything up, and I'll show you all the outcome. You can see that I'm the one doing it. Should I fix one for you all to see again? Okay, you see that it's on, but I'm gonna go off and come back with the full product. Okay, I like the hair. I don't know, I haven't tied it good, but like and the color on the tapes, forget. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm actually done. I think, should I add more? I like it the way it look. I don't want to look too extra actually, but Should I add more? I feel like it looks too natural, too much. I'm feeling like I should add a little bit so that it'll be looking, oh my god, yeah. But should I stick with this? I don't know, you all should tell me. I don't know, should I stick with this or I should do something extra? Fuck this thing.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Listen, I love using this camera and it's very easy to use as a beginner content creator, but then the fact that they give me this side that I can watch myself is killing me. Literally, it's 3:18, guys. Maximum your 24 hours, okay? Maximum that time. I literally spent like less than 20 minutes to do my lashes. Come on, it's done. If I want to do something too extra, I can, but I feel like I'm not gonna do too much with this weather here in Belgium. No, and these days I'm really off with lashes. I don't know, I don't like wearing it anymore, but just I want to be fully done because my hair is done. So I want everything to be in touch, in place. I like the tip of the hair, like I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I like it. And my skin dry. The sun is beating me, not beating me, playing me anyhow. Oh my god, guys, should I stick with this one again? I'm gonna seal it, and here is the bolt and the seal. I'm just gonna seal it on this side. Yeah, this is how it looks. But this one is very sharp, so I have to, you know, look very carefully to do this shit. So, you know, just pull your eyes a little bit up and then you do it on the, so it will do its job. Okay, hold on. Guys, I have to be careful. God damn!
I have been depressed as hell.
Hold on, I'll be back. I have to take care of this shit. Okay, I think I'm done. This thing is very good, but you have to be very, very careful. I mean, I'm gonna stick with this. I don't want to kill myself again. Oh, okay. It doesn't give in too much. Hold on, let me bring my camera up. It's not giving too much, it's giving light. Guys, just let me focus. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and I love it. And my hair, everything is on point. I'm back to my original, you know, vibe, because I was looking like a boy, literally. Hold on, let me flick back my camera. Let me come closer a little bit so you can see the details. But then I know for sure that this mirror right here is very dirty, but then the girl is clean. All done. Oh, my first time doing like natural lashes, actually. It's sitting so good. Let me stand somewhere bright so y'all can see. Let me just zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in the lashes. Is it not cute? It is, period. Okay. This is literally my favorite at the moment. It tastes so good and I like it. And I'm finally done with the finished product of me, and I'm feeling myself literally. This is me, like I'm feeling myself. Can't you see? I'm feeling myself. I'm so happy that literally I said like I'm back to the way I am. I'm so happy. I don't know what here. If you're not feeling me, I'm feeling myself. That's all matters, okay? Thank you.
I need to make myself the most beautiful.
Anyways, I'll end the video here. I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks for joining me for today. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see y'all return in my next video. And peace out.